Welcome back. We've covered a lot in this section. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned so far. We began by looking at what makes AWS highly available and elastic. We discussed how AWS is built to keep your applications up and running, even if a server or an entire data center fails. And with elasticity, AWS automatically adjusts your resources depending on traffic. More users, more instances, less load, scale it back. Efficient and smart. Then we moved to load balancing concepts and saw how it acts like a smart traffic director, spreading incoming requests across multiple EC2 instances so no single machine gets overwhelmed. From there, we dove into the world of elastic load balancing and broke down the 4 types. Classic load balancer for legacy use cases, application load balancer for web traffic with advanced routing, network load balancer for super fast and high volume traffic, and gateway load balancer for integrating things like firewalls and third-party appliances. We had a hands-on demo setting up both an ALB and an NLB to route traffic to EC2 instances and saw it all in action. Then we introduced auto-scaling groups, the feature that automatically launches or removes EC2 instances depending on demand. We saw how this helps improve performance, lower costs, and make sure your app can handle whatever comes its way. You also got some hands-on experience creating your own ASG, configuring launch templates, defining minimum and maximum capacity, and setting your scaling policies. Pretty cool, right? Next, we explored the 3 scaling strategies available with ASGs. Manual scaling when you want direct control, dynamic scaling when you want to react to live metrics, and predictive scaling when you want AWS to forecast demand for you. Finally, we brought it all together by exploring how ASGs and ELBs work as a team. When your ASG adds new EC2 instances, your ELB automatically starts routing traffic to them. And when demand drops, everything scales down seamlessly without you lifting a finger. What you've learned, by now you should feel confident about. How AWS supports high availability and elasticity. The different types of load balancers and when to use them. How to create and configure auto-scaling groups. The power of combining ASGs with ELBs for smooth, scalable performance. Together, these services form the backbone of many production-ready cloud applications, flexible, fast, and resilient. And with your hands-on experience, you're not just learning theory, you're building real cloud skills. Up next, we will be diving into serverless computing. See you there.